Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahyudin. NIM 202050502064. Kelas B, Majors Teknik Informatika. I will briefly explain what communication is. The definition of communication is the interaction between people with one another. Communication is very important so that we can tell to other people. Communication is divided into the number one. Communication is human. Chimpanzees have been taught to express the safest way the something language was the draft humans, and if you have developed precise vocabulary. Number two, communication is a process explain a friend compliment about your appearance. Number three, communication is symbolic. Komunikasi is symbolic. Symbolic area used to represent in process, ideal, or event in ways that might. Communication possible. Number one, the first internal communication is to listen to the title voice that lives in your mind. Take some time. The second one, there are 5 types of communication including. Number two, the second that is the most common communication setting. Number three, the third one, small group communication is a common tool in everyday life. Number five, the five mass communication consists of messages that are transmitted to a wide audience through electronic and print media, newspapers, magazines, television, radio, and sound. The 40 public communication occurs when a group newcomers to for all members to contribute. A physical net communication is so important that it is necessary for physical health. The functions of communication is cloud. EDT net is an important net if we losing communication with others. We will have no sense of identity. A social net in addition to helping defining who we are. Communication provides important connection with other people. A practical necessity. We must not neglect the day-to-day important question that communication serves as for modeling Communication, namely a linear model, the linear model also into the contour of noise. A linear model shows that communicator often occur different environments. A transitional model, the transitional model, communication model. Number one, simulation model. Number two, communication is fluid, not static. Number three, communication is relational, not individual. Communicator completing defining communication. Competence is as a means all talk theater all still is through titling to ego. 1A, please definition. Most one that effective communicator involves achieving one goals in as manner that ideally maintain or contagious. They realize in ways in occurs. Criteria of completing communicator. Number one, there are no ideal way to communicate. Number two, competence is situational. Number three, competence is relation. Number four, competence can be learned. Although competent communication varies from one situation to another is course have identified several common denominator. The conservative effective communication is most context. Wide range of behaviors. Number two, ability to cause the most appropriate behavior. Number three, skill reforming behavior. Number four, empty. Number five, good notified complexity. Number six, self monitoring. Number seven, commitment to the relationship. Clarifying miscomporting about communication. Communication does not always require comforting understanding. Most people operate on the implicit but fluid assumption. The goal of all communication is to maintain understanding between communicators. No single person or event causes another relation alone. Communication skill often mark difference between pleasant and unpleasant outcomes in each matters to sentence. Is magnificent to sentence that any single thing we say or do cause at outcome. Communication is not always a good time. For most people believe in value of communication. Writers somewhere close to parent holding care of important values. Communication does not always require complete understanding. Most people operate on the implicit about it when assumption. The goal of all communication is to maximize understanding between communication. Oke, sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.